Government Degree College, Autonomous, Bichkunda, District Kamarati, Telangana. Student Jignasa Study Project. Our topic is a study on the socio-economic conditions of female BD workers at Bichkunda Mandal, Kamarati District. Myself Vaishnavi. We are from Government Degree College, Bichkunda Mandal, Kamarati District. Introduction. BD rolling is one of the major informal sector activities in India. The Government of India estimates that there are about 4.4 million workers in this industry. The majority are home-based workers who live below the poverty line. BD is a kind of little cigarette made of tendu leaves and tobacco. According to conservative estimate, more than 6 million persons are engaged in BD making, processing and allied work. BD workers are vulnerable segments of the country's labor force, which has increased involvement of women and child labor in BD rolling activities. The condition of BD workers at present as well as in the past have not been very conducive. The making of BD is an industry that is widely spread over the country. Hence, there is a need to improve the living and working conditions as well as to promote decent employment and income opportunities for women BD rollers.
Objective of the study: to study the socio-economic conditions of female BD workers at Bichkunda Mandal, Kamarati District, to find the demographic details of the respondents, to study the economic life and problems of the respondents, to study the housing condition of the respondents, to study the family problems of the respondents, to study the community life of the respondents, to study the interest and future plans of the respondents, to suggest measures to improve the condition of the respondents. Methodology: field of study. The study was conducted in Bichkunda, area which lies in the top city. There are 50 families involved in BD work. These BD workers are from rural areas of Bichkunda. Results and discussion. To test the result, first the frequency distribution regarding all SU variable was applied. The generated individual results for each of the variables. Secondly, the correlation between variable age and qualification and the relation with satisfaction level was applied. The generated several interesting results. Next, about the distribution. Majority 78% of the respondents were below 45 years. This is the period during which a person's earning capacity is after 45 years, a woman has several health problems and therefore she is not able to work hard. This factor is important for socio-economic study. Next, this table shows that from the above table it is evident that the respondents' educational level was very low. Majority 70% of the respondents were married and 30% of the respondents were unmarried. Next, mode of the saving. 4% check one, 12% post office, 28% bank, 4% insurance and 52% no savings. The education level of the workers are very low. Government Degree College Bichkunda can take up alert PhD and functional education program for the female BD workers at Bichkunda. Through this education to protect the rights for of the BD workers, the implications of this act are not followed by the employers. Therefore, the government should take strict action against their employees who may implement this act.
Conclusion. Women BD workers have been facing lots of problems. They do not have any basic facilities. The welfare scheme for women BD workers are not reaching them. They are deprived of their basic rights and they are expected their competence. So they are in an urgent need for protection of BD workers to overcome in their lives. The researcher has been identified the socio-economic condition of women BD workers, which will aid to the government and NGOs to take immediate measures to promote the welfare of BD workers and to protect their rights.